Groove Builders, welcome to the workbench. We have the Metal Earth Burj Khalifa here in some classic Metal Earth packaging. If yours at home looks a little bit different, don't worry. The insides are exactly the same, mine's just a little bit older. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. On the back we have a QR code which we can scan to get a 360 view of our model if we need it while we're building. This comes in handy when we're putting little bits of detail onto our model. Then on the right here we have some information on the Burj Khalifa, and finally at the bottom we get a look at some other models in the series. Very neat. Alright, let's go ahead and open up our model. We have our instructions, and we have our 2 sheets of metal. This actually might be a little bit bigger than I thought. Let's go ahead and cut out our first couple of pieces. And there we go, all of our parts needed for that first page. Now the first thing we're going to do is grab part number 1 and these 3 parts here, which are part number 2. Part number 2 gets wrapped around the edges here of number 1, and we're actually going to use that to form part number 2. You be very careful with these pieces because of these windows. It actually makes the metal a little weaker, and if you're not careful, you'll accidentally bend the window instead of the actual fold line. Now to make life a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and just twist this tab here. We're going to come back a little bit later and fold it. And now that we got both sides secure, we're going to fold this tab down. Make sure it's as flush as possible so you don't have any gaps here at the edge. There we go, that looks really nice. Now these pieces here, we're going to just push right in. And when we add the parts that go right here with part number 3, it should really have a nice edge. Let's continue on with the other 2 parts here for number 2. And our last one here. I'm going to push this up a little bit. Not too much. You don't want to accidentally pop that seam there. Okay. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Now we can move on to part number 3 here, which needs a nice rounding on it, and I'm going to use my doming set to help me get that. Okay, there's one piece there. 2 more to go. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now we can attach this onto part number 1 as well. And just make sure that these little tabs here get into the insertion holes. You might have to pre-bend them just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and try putting it on the left side first. Then I'm going to get that center tab, and then I'm going to work that right tab in. Or I might actually try to get the right tab in first, and then work the middle tab. The key here though is to make sure you actually get it into the insertion hole and not into one of those windows by mistake. You'd be surprised how easy that is. That looks really neat. I'm going to try to make that as straight as possible as we add these other ones on. our last part number 3 here. And there we go. Part number 3 installed and looking really, really nice. All right, now we need to add part 4 on, which goes just below part number 3. Being very careful here not to accidentally scratch any of that nice detail. These guys here are all secured with a nice little twist. Cool. Part number 3 installed. Now we basically got to do the same thing we did up here again with part number 5. I go ahead and start my bend here. Now if you look really closely here on part number 3, you'll notice that one of these little slots right here is thinner than any of the other windows. That is our slot. So we're going to place that in here. Now what I'm going to try to do first is get the tab into the insertion hole and then get it on that far one. Might be a little tricky. Woo! Got her in. That was a mission. Now for the hardest part, making sure it doesn't come back out. Awesome! There's our first one on. 2 more to go. Okay, and there we go. Everything looks really, really nice. Now I did make a mistake and went ahead and cut out parts number 6 here, so I'm going to go ahead and attach those two. And just like with part number 4, they go on the bottom. All right, there we go. Everything attached, and it looks like a giant flower. Let's go ahead and get more parts. A few snips later, and we have all of our parts needed to build the Burj Khalifa. Let's go ahead and grab part 7 here and wrap it along the base like we've done with the other 2 parts. This is built pretty much exactly the same way. All right, there's our first one. Now we do the other 2. Okay, and there we go. All of our pieces added, looking very nice. Now we need to form those really big towers. Let's grab part number 8 here. Okay, now with this piece here, it's going to be kind of important for us to be able to follow the shaping as best we can. And we know that it's going to get this thin right here with part A. So what I'm going to do is use my mandrel here to try to get a decent shape, and then once I have everything slightly bent, I'll work it in to this piece here and we'll match it all up. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, I think this piece here is just bent enough for us to be able to put it onto part 9. Let's give it a go. With this build so far, the key has been trying to keep these tabs out of the windows. Let's see if we can do that here. There's my one side. With these panels, you might have to bend them a little bit more to get them inside. Just make sure you're careful and always start from the top and work your way down. You can take your tabs here too and just bend them up a little bit. That'll help you out. Okay, there's the top tower part. Now we're going to do the same thing for these other pieces. Okay. Now, I'm going to push these in a little bit here and try to form them up a little bit better. These were a lot skinnier than I originally thought they were going to be. But there we go. There's our first piece. Now we have to do 2 more. All right, and there is our second one finished. Let's move on to our third one. Again, being very careful not to put the tabs in the windows. All right, Looking really good. Now we need to attach all of these towers onto our base. Let's get started with the first one right here. Okay, let's try that again. Interesting. It doesn't seem very stable with just one tab securing it. So maybe if I put a couple of more in here. You know what? What I'm going to do instead here is I'm going to straighten this out, attach all these guys together, and then place them down. I think that's the best way of doing it. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now let's attach it onto the base. I would think that's pretty secure and looking really nice too. Okay, let's move on to the very top. Very simple triangle to do here. Now I'm just pushing on these tabs here so that they stay away from the edges and nothing gets in the way of us securing it to the top. Let's see how this goes. Nice and tight is the key. And there we go. The Burj Khalifa. Really awesome.